Hi, I'm Colby with WTI, and today I want to introduce you to a great addition to your camera bag, this camera clamp mount from ULANZI. I love this mount because it has so many different uses. Its strength is top-notch, which means you can use it to mount all sorts of different cameras and different camera equipment in any type of place. Whether it's a GoPro, a light, a microphone, getting them in those positions that you really need but are normally difficult becomes easy with this mount from ULANZI. Whether that be somewhere simple like adding it to your tripod or somewhere different like on the balcony, on a bookshelf, no matter where you need to go, you can get this clamp in place. So if you're looking to make your filming or video process even more flexible, I recommend this mount from ULANZI. That's my point of view.